I love planner accessories, and I wanted to share with you all some planner items. So let's take a look. First up is from Simply Gilded. These are the freebies that I received. I ordered the watermelon sorbet sticker book. So here's the inside. It has a cute little pocket on the side, a lot of pages for my stickers. I don't know how many. It also has a D-ring. Next up is some items from V's Planning Spot Shop. And these are the freebies that I got a ton, which I love getting, little stickers and stuff. It lets you know more information about other shops. Like this is cute, a little charm. So I got this really pretty little heart charm clip, and then this planner, almost like a bookmark. Next up are items from the Angel shop, and these are the freebies. I got this beautiful sequence charm, and it's actually a pretty big bow, but it would look great hanging off of a planner or keys. I also got a pin. This is the Cozy SZN pin in Dusty Rose. Her pins are just so beautiful. I had to show you guys up close. I love the rose gold and the pink, my favorite color. But this reminds me so much of fall, like fall leaves. Just beautiful. Next up is from K&Co XOXO. From this shop, I got beautiful bow clips. I got pink, of course, because I love pink. I also got black and like a cream color. I also ordered this beautiful pink rose clip. I love when stuff is handmade, and I love that this is handmade. This is such cute packaging. This is the first time that I order from rose colored Daze. So I love LV, and I love these little inspired adhesive pockets. I really just wanted the pink one, but my husband said to go ahead and get all of them so that I can see what they're like, just to try them out. And these are really pretty. I love the whole inspired LV look. So excited to try these out. So this one has rose gold on it, really pretty, and I can't wait to use them. And this one is just the brown checkered with gold. Next shop is the Fabulous Planner. Here is the Paris love stickers I picked up. I love Paris. I hope to one day go. But these little stickers have such fine little details on it. They have like a Chanel inspired little stickers. I just love it all. I got dashboards. They're not a set. These are just the ones I really liked. So I picked them out individually. And I also got a calendar. So here's the little calendar. The shoe is so cute. I like the silhouette, the little lipstick in the background. It is so girly, so cute. It has a little notes section. It also came with a little pack of to-do papers, and the little design on there is really cute. Here is everything that I bought. I really do like it. I love planner accessories. They're all so cute. I can't wait to put my planner together, and I will show you guys that. Also, all the shops are going to be linked down below. And like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.